Hello everyone, welcome to today's update. And recently a lot of people got the Arkham airdrop and a lot of you are feeling the FOMO. But don't worry, we have another airdrop in the bag, and this is a very special airdrop because the project has been endorsed by Vitalik Buterin, who is the founder of Ethereum. So let's not waste any more time and see what we have to do. So this airdrop requires no investment. The time is around 10 minutes and it has a $22 million funding. A lot of you are wondering what does the funding has to do with the airdrop. So if a project gets funding, the chances of it getting an airdrop increases, and since we don't know which projects will definitely get the airdrop, that is a good indicator. So let's look at the background of TAIKO. What is TAIKO, right? TAIKO is a decentralized ZK AVM that allows dApps to be deployed on layer 2 with lower fees but with the security benefits of Ethereum. And the steps to complete this airdrop is we need to bridge, we need to swap, and we need to deploy contract. That is very similar to other airdrops. The complete guide can be found here, and the first step is you need a Metamask wallet. So hopefully everybody has their Metamask ready. So let's get started. Go to this link. This is a chain list link, and we need to add Sepolia testnet to our Metamask. So just connect your Metamask here and click add to Metamask. Click on approve and switch the network. Second, we need to add TAIKO Alpha 3 testnet. So let's open this. Again, click add to Metamask and approve and switch the network. Next is we need to go and claim the Sepolia testnet faucet first. Click here, then go to Metamask, copy your address here, and now you need to log in to Alchemy. So let's just do login. So if you don't have an account, you can easily sign up. There is no fees. After you have logged in, just paste your address here. Make sure the Sepolia faucet is selected. Click on I am not a robot and request some Ethereum. So just wait for a few minutes and Ethereum will be in your wallet. The next step is mint horse and bull tokens. So let's just click here. Open the website, connect your wallet, connect Metamask, click next and connect. We need to switch to Sepolia. I'll click here and switch network. As you can see, the testnet ETH has already arrived. So what we need to do? We need to mint horse and bull tokens. For that, we need to connect our wallet, select test token and select bull token to mint, and then select horse token to mint. So we have already connected. Select a test token. Bull token is here. Mint bull token. Approve the transaction. Wait for it to get minted. Then we select the horse token also. Click on mint horse token. Confirm the transaction once again. And both the tokens are now being minted. So once this is done, let's go to the next task, that is bridging the asset. So bridge asset through this link. Go to the link bridge ETH, bull and horse token from Sepolia to TAIKO network. So let's start bridging. So from Sepolia, we need to bridge some ETH. So let's bridge some around 0.2 Ethereum. Click on bridge. Approve the transaction. Once this is done, now let's select the bull token. Bull has already been minted here. So let's send 40 bull tokens. Click on approve token. Select the limit. Click next, approve, and the transaction has been sent for approval. Now while that is getting sent, let's claim our TAIKO token here. Click on claim. We need to switch the network and it is waiting for the relayer. Again, go back to the bridge. Again, switch to Sepolia. Switch the network. And now we send the horse token. We have 50 horse. We will again send 40 horse token. Click on approve token. Increase the limit. Next. And then approve the transaction. Go back to the bull. Now we need to wait for 2 minutes for all the transactions to be done. So now go back to bull. Approval has been done. Now let's click on bridging. Confirm the transaction on Metamask and wait for the funds to get bridged. Now again, go to horse, select the amount of transaction tokens. I'm sending 40. Click on bridge. If the bridge button is not coming up for you, you can always refresh the page. Click on confirm and the transaction has been sent for bridging. So all of those transactions are done. Our tokens are now bridging. Now this will take some time. Give it 2 to 5 minutes.
A few moments later.
Keep an eye here to make sure the transactions don't fail. So horse is sent. Bull failed. So I will again send bull. Click on bridge again. Click on confirm and again wait for your funds to get bridged. So again bull token failed. So this token shows that it will fail around 50% of the time. So if you are getting a lot of failed transaction, you need to try again. We can't do anything about it. So again, I'll try to bridge bull token, but rest of the tokens have already been bridged. So while bull token is trying to get bridged, let's go to the swap and do the swaps. So we need to do at least 5 swaps. So go to the swap and connect in TAIKO network. So we need to switch it next and connect. Now let's start doing some swaps. Now let's swap some horse token with Ethereum and let's swap all of it. Approve horse token spending here. Click on next, approve. Wait for the approval to go through and then we will click on swap. Approval has gone through. Now let's click on swap, confirm the swap, click on confirm again, and the transaction has been submitted. Now we need to swap back. So let's swap some Ethereum. Let's say 0.05 Ethereum. We will swap for some 700 horse token. We'll again click on confirm swap, click on confirm, and the transaction has been submitted. Again, we will get some bull token also. Let's do some 0.05 Ethereum for some bull token. Again, click on swap, click on confirm, and the swap has been submitted. So that makes total 3 swaps. We need to do 2 more. So let's swap some bull token into some horse token. And keep an eye on the failed transactions because there are a lot of failures. While the transactions are being done, let's do one more and convert it to some TAIKO token. 0.05 Ethereum we will convert to some TAIKO tokens. Click on confirm and approve the transaction. And one more swap was done. Now let's swap back some TAIKO tokens to Ethereum. Confirm, approve TAIKO, approve the spending, click next, approve, wait for approval to go through. And now click on swap. Confirm the swap and approve the transaction. This is done. Now we need to again convert bull token back to Ethereum. Again, approve the bull token, get approved. Approval is done. Now we'll click on swap, confirm the swap, and transaction has been submitted. So let's see how many transactions were successful. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. And if this is successful, we will be done with 5 swaps. So let's go back to our bridge, switch back to Sepolia. So it failed again. So we'll try one more time because it says that it will fail 50% of the time. So we need to try it again and again. There is no other way. You can go to Metamask and see the transaction. If you see a speed up option, you can speed up and try it once again.
A few moments later.
So after 3-4 tries, the bull token was finally sent. So you need to keep trying. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't go in the first 2-3 tries because it will take some time. 50% of the time it will fail. So you need to keep trying. So we have done the 5 transaction. We can go to deploy contract. So we need to open this link, type any name and symbol on permit and give any number like 1000. So we are basically making our own contract here. On pre-mint, give any number like 1000. So let's start. So name is, let's say, Jargonino, symbol is Genu. Pre-mint we will give 1000. Then we need to open this in Remix. Click here, compile the contract. Then we go here and deploy it. Click on confirm and it should be done. And all the tasks are now done. If you want to do additional tasks, you can go to their own guide and do this task in detail. There are even more information here on how to set up your wallet, receive a bridge tokens, deploy a contract and verify a contract. And that was the complete guide to TAIKO Airdrop. It does not take that much time. I think it took me around 10 to 15 minutes, including the failed transactions. That is all about the TAIKO Airdrop. Make sure to share it with your friends. Let them make some money too. Also join our Telegram channel if you want to join our $100 to $5,000 challenge. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.
ये बीट गोरी पैग खींचे नीट लफ्ज मेरे हथियार पहली चोट नो के सीन जैसे गिल्टीन रगो मैं बहरा निकटी चाहता मुझको खून बचले बेटा मौत कमिंग सून तेरे हूबहू रहते मेरे रूबरू छीनू तेरी रूह